All right, here we go. Last mystery box me and little girl went through. I'll give you some prices on it. Here's what we got. Now here's what I'm doing. I'm gonna pop through this pallet of mystery boxes. We're gonna start throwing all this stuff up on the treasure hunt. See what we come up with. They were looking pretty good when I looked at the first one. So I was like, oh, I need to see this on video. Here we got Nicky Nick here. We got Nick. Purses, look at that. Purses. Those are like,
I'll tell you.
I don't know if they're Lululemons or not, but I bet they're like 15, 20 bucks a pop. Got some shoes.
$25.
$25, that's close. Roll of shoes. Brand new, in the box. Another 20 bucks there. Water cooler rough paper. That's a notepad. What we got here? B-Wise phone cases. I know those run about 12 bucks a piece on Amazon. We got 1, 2, 3, 6 of them. Those shoes are 60. Wow. I can't even pronounce that. It's one of the Pokemon type card things. I bet those go. I bet there's some dealer out there on eBay selling those individually like 10 bucks a card. Got some clothes, Easter cards, some clothes, a couple more phone cases. Aha, there's a good party idea for birthday parties. Fairy bicycle shirt for women. I know those are ones that 100 bucks for what? For those cards. I don't doubt it. I don't doubt it. $82.95. This is a good box. Easy earning card punch kit. So if you're making jewelry, it's your little cards you hang your earrings on and stuff. Cracker idea. Couple blankets. Couple more shirts. Chai tea. English breakfast blend. It's like $5 at Walmart. Drain clog remover, auger, or whatever they call it. That's about 10 bucks. 2 of those. For the phone case. $20 a piece on the augers. Throw those up on the treasure hunt. Probably start those off at 5. Woohoo! Party cups, just in time for New Year's parties. 1, 2, 3 of those. Sweater, little hoodie. Must be a Cade favorite movie. Antonio Banderas in Korean. Sure, Cade will like that one. Kind of collector thing. Oh, coffee cup. Today's goal: keep the tiny humans alive. There you go. Good mom gift. It is that time of the year to start thinking about it. You buy your mom anything yet, Nick? Of course not. Now there's one of the show. Unifan for your PC or your PlayStation 2. Calendar. Freeze frost bites. Those are like $5. Disposable face mask. Brita filter. Oh, another box of shoes. Brand new, look at that. Grapes from Brooklyn. Felt heavy.
Another one for you.
Gosh, my arms are getting tired.
You want to overuse them before you got to work. Because I want to add in maybe off the other $50.
Let's get a tripod or something.
Bumblebee tuna salad. I'd probably buy that. The whole box. Mineral trace elements. Nice looking purse. I bet that's a $30 purse. Ain't on the shoes yet. Oh, I know these go. These are those silicone baking things for like pies and cakes and cupcakes. I think that's what a little girl likes to do. She likes to put all the cupcakes mixed in one. 75 on the shoes. Tune up fitness pants. That's a bead sorter for the crafters. Nice little sunglasses. Here you go, Kate. Getting hungry? Some non-live. Shirt. Another tuna. Tree trunk protectors, a couple of those. Socks. Women's socks. Ankle socks. Big bag of them. Couple scented candles. These run about $10 at Walmart. Yeah, these are monthly subscription ones. They're heavy. Little blanket. Bananas.
Set up a tripod or something. I feel like I'm moving all over the place.
Boom, boom.
Put it up so that it fits the other way.
Your
Cameraman sucks.
The camera quality is insane.
Cameraman sucks, so we had to move over to the mount. Mega collection of ultra bright something. These are like $20 at Walmart.
No way.
Yep. I don't even know. What is that?
Tea towels.
Tea towels. Whatever tea towels.
No, I lied. The ribbons.
Ribbons. Boss underwear.
Those are expensive.
Those are expensive.
Nick's gonna scarf those.
Boss. Do you wear underwear? I don't think you wear underwear, do you?
Wait, Nick, you wear
These
underwear?
little totes. Another pair of shoes. Another pair of shoes. Oh, these are nice ones. Looky there. What you got, Tatum? Got a price on them. Oh, there's glass drinking water. Yep, highball glasses. Look at that, a whole box of them. And all this stuff, just a few mystery boxes. There's, how much you think there? Retail, Kate?
$1 million.
You're a jackass. Here you go, Kate. You need this. Walk Slim, 4 fast miles. USB Type-C dongle, some lipstick. How much on the shoes? There's a barcode on the bottom. Another pair of shoes. Hey, Kate, these go in your purse. Bet these are $30 ones too.
Are you saving these boxes?
Upstairs, yeah. Shipping. Oh, this is full. 44. Men's dress jacket. Several of these. Word cognitive parent. Actually, little girl has these. She plays with it like crazy. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think these are like what, $12 on Amazon. maybe 15. And Christmas decorations. Christmas cards. More Christmas decorations. Women's ankle socks.
Nike socks.
Nikes, yeah. More of these BY's phone case covers. Baby bottle. Some more Nike socks. Some more ankle socks. Shirts. I have to look up the prices. Sheet tool. Those are good for loosening up pipes. Some more scented candles, another baby bottle. Yeah, this one's good. A lot of stuff. Wrench. Pool glasses. Shirts. Hair accessories. Fake nails, wire brush, cleaning brush, another baby bottle, pull something or other, pull floaty, I bet. So what I'll do, those small ones I'll put in little boxes of mystery. This is looking good. Martin Dingman. What are they? Shoes. Those are nice dress shoes. Nice dress shoes. Bet that's $100. Leather. Bottle brushes. Ooh, that looks interesting. Something in a mystery bag. 114 on the shoes. Anything in a little baggy's gotta be good, right? I don't even know what it is.
What is it?
No idea. I think it's like some kind of antenna or something.
No, it's a golf tee.
Oh, golf tees.
That's what it is, right? Yeah, golf tee.
Yep, golf tee set. Okay. Some more bottle brushes. Some more golf tees. Macrame. So I know you know some stoners out there need some macrame yarn. I'm gonna make a sweater. Oh, another pair of shoes. Those are nice. Look at that. Brand new in the box. Nice shoes. $205. Holy smokes. Wow. See, that's why I wanted to record it too, because I can zoom in on that when you showed it. And our water pump repair kit. You know what that is. Another shirt. Whoa, that's heavy. Oh, I need this. I bet I need this for those BB guns over there. Oh no, it's bearings. Never mind. Box of bearings. Wheel bearings. I thought it was CO2. More hair accessories. Ugh. Garage fan. You know what that is? No, heater. Garage heater. Fan heater tip. Pile up there. Abercrombie Finch jeans.
Twelve mystery box. That's it. Those ones.
Mounting bracket for your phone. And a nice shirt. More shoes.
Maybe have a letter with this pickup number. Air beat. Is it like
Some nice shoes. If those are another $30 pair of shoes. It's the same kind of block. Another pair. Oh, now these are going to be expensive. I think I've seen less upstairs in some of these. These are leather. I bet these are expensive ones. That's got to be 150 at least. Makeup brushes. Another box of makeup brushes. Automotive exterior cleaner.
minimum of 40.
Something collectible. Plates. Nice dinnerware plates. Ceramic. And drop them on the concrete floor. Another pair of shoes.
Good tweets.
Yeah, look at that. $70, I bet. More knickknacks, some calendar stuff, air cleaner.
79.
$79 on those cleats. Sasquatch deodorant. You know, somebody that needs that. Alright, we'll get some of that stuff listed. Then when I do these next mystery boxes, we'll get another video of those. Up. What do you think?
Oh, retail?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 boxes. 7 mystery boxes. Yeah, I'm thinking at least 2,500.
Probably.
At least 2,500. Just with the shoes alone, it's almost $1,000. Just with the shoes alone, it was almost $1,000. Why you're not picking up these mystery boxes? If you're not, I don't know. That's easy flips, easy money.
We're gonna sell out.
Yeah, we're selling them quick. They move quick.
Yeah.
I'm surprised I was able to get this pallet. All right, guys, thanks.